NSCC number 25. This is going to be 2022-23 Donruss NBA TMall 10-box break. Random team style. Drew for teams on random.org. No trades in the chats. All right, guys, here we go. Like I said a minute ago, if you guys are interested, we got a UFC break, you guys. There are 6 spots left in that break. 6 spots left. I just dropped a link at the bottom of both chats, you guys. Let's fill this break up. Go grab your spots in that UFC break, you guys. People are honestly sleeping on Donruss UFC. I actually pulled some really good autos. Former champion autos. The last 2 breaks I did, I pulled an Alex Pereira. I pulled an Alexander Volkanovski. I got a Octagon parallel that's numbered to 30 of Alex Pereira. Go fill up that break, you guys. There's 6 spots left. We can break that ASAP. So close to selling out, y'all. Go grab a spot. What could you do with $10,000 in site credit? Think about it. Make it a reality. Go grab a spot. Good luck, everybody, in this break, though, nonetheless. Here we go. Let's see right here. All right, good luck, y'all. Here we go. All right, OG Anunoby. All right, there's an Emmanuel quickly right off the bat to 25 for the Knicks. New York Knicks. That's going to Jay in the chat. Jay. Really good up-and-coming young player. Also a Kentucky boy. Emmanuel quickly for the Knicks. Congratulations, Jay. All right, there is a red and yellow Chef Curry. Caleb Houston. Keegan Murray base. Nikola Jovic. There's a Jabari Walker. All right, red and yellow Justin Holiday. And a Malachi Branham rated rookie. Red and yellow. There's a Jalen Duren. Kennedy Chandler. Johnny Davis. Red and yellow, Al Horford and Bruce Brown, red, yellow. David Roddy, Darnell Terry. All right, Killian Hayes, red, yellow, and a Tyus Jones. Ochai Abaji. There's a Jaden Ivey and a PBJ. All right, guys, that was closing out that first box. All right, y'all, go fill up those other breaks. Go fill up UFC Donruss, you guys. Last break of the night. Last break, Mojo. Come on. Go grab your spots. Here we go. Here we go. Good luck, everybody, in this break. Second box, Mojo. Can we get an auto, man? Can we get a big auto coming up? Mellow Ball, Jeremy Grant. There's a Jalen Brunson red yellow and a Mike Conley red yellow. Ochai Abaji. There's a Jaden Ivey. PBJ, Kennedy. Excuse me, that's a Kenny Lofton. Mike Conley. Red and yellow, Grayson Allen. There's a Josh Christopher. Vince Williams. Jalen Williams. All right, come on, baby. Throw us an auto Donruss. Red, yellow, Jalen Noel, and a Kennedy Chandler for the Grizzlies. Memphis Grizz. Benedict Mathurin base for the Pacers. And a Paolo Banchero. Come on, Paolo. Let's get an auto of Paolo. That'll be sick. Or a Chet. Pulled a Chet a couple weeks ago. And a Jeremy Shohan. All right, guys. Closing out that box as well. Good luck, y'all, in this break. Good luck. 8 boxes left. Box number 3. Here we go. Go grab your spots in UFC, you guys. We got 6 spots left in that break. 6 spots left. Franz Wagner and a Jay Crowder. Kendall Brown, Bryce McGowan's, Mark Williams. All right, Tobias Harris, red, yellow. There's a David Roddy, another TMall exclusive. Shaden Sharp, rookie base as well. Peyton Watson. Chet Holmgren base for OKC. Blake Wesley. Check West. Justin Holiday and a Jaren Jackson. All right, A.J. Griffin, E.J. Liddell. There's an Ousmane Dieng, Max Christie. Al Horford, red, yellow, and a Andre Drummond. Christian Braun and a Tyrese Martin. All right, guys, closing out that box as well. Come on, baby. Where's that auto at? Come on. Got to get one. Come on. All right, guys, let's make a deal. If we get an auto, you got to go grab a spot in that UFC break. Come on. Go get spots in that UFC break. 6 spots left, you guys. 6 spots left. There we go. Good luck. What are we marking in? There's a red, yellow, Chris Tapson, a James Wiseman, PBJ, Kenneth Lofton, David Roddy, Josh Minot, Miles Turner. All right, to 25, Devontae Graham from the Pelicans for Pelican spot. All right, Pelicans. Who's got him? New Orleans. That is going to James Leary. Congratulations, James. All right, CJ McCollum. There's a Jake LaRivia, Jalen Williams, another Ochai Abaji. There's another Jaden Ivey for the Pistons. Red, yellow, John Collins. And Musa Diabite, red, yellow, TMall for the Clippers. There's another Palo base rookie. Marjon Beauchamp and a Vince Williams. Jaylen Brown, TMall, and a Trey Mann. Musa Diabite. Benedict Mathurin again for the Pacers. All right, guys, come on. Come on, Chet. Jonas Valanciunas. There's a Kyle Kuzma, red, yellow, and a Yaka Pirtle. Another Chet base. Blake Wesley, Malachi Brown. Red, yellow, and Benedict Mathurin. Nice one here. Red, yellow, team all for the Pacers. Indiana. Getting a Benedict Mathurin base. Indiana. That is going to Justin D. Congrats, Justin. Appreciate you guys grabbing spots in this break. Appreciate you guys very much. Peyton Watson. All right. Max Christie to 25 for the Lake Show. Lakers. That's going to Richard. Congratulations. Rookie to 25. Max Christie, not a bad one to get either. Lakers rookies end up being really good lately, especially. Oh, baby, we did get an auto. Okay. Rudy Gay, Team All, exclusive. Tyrese Martin, A.J. Griffin, E.J. Liddell. Auto, Trevor Keels, red, yellow for the Knicks. New York Knicks. That is going to Jay as well. There we go, Jay. We got you one. Said you were in a slump earlier. There we go, my guy. Congratulations, Trevor Keels. Red, yellow, team all. Exclusive. All right, man. Let's try and get another one. Jabari Smith, rookie, rated rookie, and a Luke Travers. All right, guys. Come on. That was the first half. Good luck second half. Come on, baby. You got one more auto. Come on. Come on. It's in here somewhere. Come on. Give us 2 more autos even. Good luck, you guys. Good luck. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Utah, Rudy Gay to 25. That is going to Garrison. Last spot, Mojo. Utah. Congratulations, Rudy Gay. Put together a really good play. Really good career, excuse me. Rudy Gay actually did. I'm sure you guys know that, though. Rudy Gay, been around for a minute. There's a Shaedon Sharp, Peyton Watson, Chet Holmgren base. Blake Wesley. Yellow. There's a Keegan Murray, another one of the top rookies. Red, yellow, Asia Team All. There we go. For the Kings, Sacramento. Kiri. AJ Griffin, EJ Liddell, Usman Dieng, Max Christie again. Do we have another auto? Looks like we do. Red, yellow, Yusuf Nurkic, Wendell Moore, Christian Braun, Tyrese Martin. All right, for the Grizzlies, Kennedy Chandler, Memphis Grizz. Go Grizz. That is going to Mel Pitt. Congratulations, Mel Pitt, on your rated rookie Kennedy Chandler autograph. There we go, baby. All right. They heard us. Let's get another one, Panini. Come on, baby. Andrew Nemert and the Jabari Smith Jr. for the Rockets. Come on, man. Let's get one of the big rookies. Come on. We got 4 boxes left. Bruh. Nobody wants UFC Donruss? Come on, y'all. Sleeping on it. I hit some really good cards, to be honest, out of it. I had some really, really big Stipe Miocic Marvels, the 10 as well. I don't know, man. Those Marvels pretty sought after. I had some monsters the other day. Grab your spots, you guys. Links at the bottom of the chat. Go fill those breaks up. I'm actually going to pin it and leave it at the bottom. Come on, y'all. Help a brother out. Go grab your spots in that break. Come on. Here we go, you guys. Good luck, everybody. Appreciate you guys grabbing spots in this break, though. Good luck, everybody, rest of the way. Paolo, red, yellow for the Magic. Orlando. There we go. That's going to Ryan P. Red, yellow, Paolo Banchero. Congratulations. There's a Musa Diabite, Jeremy Shohan, Benedict Mathurin for the Pacers. Red, yellow, David Bertans. There's a Kendall Brown, Mark Williams. All right, AD. PJ Tucker. There's a Shaden Sharp, Peyton Watson. Chet Holmgren, rookie, Raider rookie. Ty Washington, red, yellow, TMall. EJ Liddell and a Max Christie. All right, guys, 3 boxes left. Good luck, y'all. Good luck. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Here we go. All right, Johnny Davis, red and yellow Asia Team All. There's a Chet base, Blake Wesley, Kendall Brown, Malachi Brown, Tobias Harris, Usman Dieng, Max Christie. There's another Shaden Sharp rookie, Peyton Watson, Bojan Bogdanovic. Here we go, here we go. Red, yellow, and a Kevin Huerter, Tyrese Martin, AJ Griffin, Rudy Gobert. Auto, Vince Williams for the Grizzlies. Vincent Williams, there we go. Congratulations, Memphis Grizzlies. That is going to Mel Pitt as well. Congratulations. All right, another Kennedy Chandler back-to-back for the Grizzlies. There's an Andrew Nemert, Jabari Smith, rated rookie, and Luke Travers. All right, guys. Last 2 boxes. Come on, baby. 2 more autos. Come on. Get a good amount of autos. Good amount of autos, actually, up to this point. Good luck, everybody, rest of the way. Last 2 boxes. Giannis. There's an Andrew Nemerd red yellow team all for the Pacers. EJ Liddell, Ousmane Dieng, Max Christie. Red yellow Cat and a Davis Bertans. Wendell Moore, Luke Trevis, Christian Braun, Tyrese Martin. Zaire Williams. All right, guys, here we go. PJ Tucker, Jaden Hardy. Jabari Smith, rated rookie for the Rockets. Walker Kessler to 25 for the Jazz. Let's go. Garrison, last spot. Mojo, baby. Let's go. Utah. There we go, baby. Congratulations again, Garrison. Appreciate you grabbing a spot in this break. There we go. Pretty sure Walker, first team or second team All-NBA, though, had an excellent rookie season. Definitely one of the top rookies. There's a Dyson Daniels, Terry Easton, Trevor Keels, and a Jalen Williams, OKC Thunder. All right, guys. Last box. Mojo. Here we go. Come on, baby. Last box, Mojo. Here we go, everybody. Go grab your spots in that UFC Donruss break, everybody. Bobby Portis. There's a De'Aaron Fox. Rated rookie Jake LaRivia, Jalen Williams. Jaden Ivey for the Pistons. Come on. Can we get an auto for the last box? Come on, baby. Ty. Paolo. Another one for the Magic. Marjan. Come on, baby. Nikola Jovic, red, yellow, team all. Musa Diabite. Benedict Mathurin for the Pacers. Ben Simmons. Red, yellow, Norman Powell. Kendall Brown. And a Mark Williams. All right, you guys, that was the break. Pretty solid break, actually. Got a really good amount of autos. All right, guys, once again, that was the break.